Hello guys, so how do you find your Shopify merchant ID? It's going to be really simple because it's absolutely very obvious where to find it, and it's actually on my store. Wait, it's my store here. Since my account here is not really verified yet, so it's still my email that reflects here. But if your account is already verified, then that's where your commerce number will actually be inputted. Okay, so that's just basically it. You could find it on my store, and you could just basically edit out and fill out informations there. Order ID. You could just basically put in some tags in your IDs as well, and especially suffixes. And yeah, this is basically where you find your ID. If your store hasn't been verified, then you should work on it first. Okay. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Please subscribe.